What's up, guys? Welcome to the Driver channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can catch spike trading with this strategy. Okay, so you are going to be catching multiple spike with this strategy for you, and I'm going to give you guys all the steps and settings you are going to be need to do this strategy catching spike. Okay, so you can see we have a running trade here on Crash 500, which we are catch spike. Okay, so you can see you have multiple spike catching. This strategy is not for you to catch one spike, but you are catching multiple spike. Okay, so with this to be able to secure a big money catching the spike. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, and if you also want account management or you want to get a strategy from us, you can also contact the number you are seeing on the screen. It's WhatsApp number, and you can also contact us on the Telegram community. The link is going to be in the description below. So don't forget to contact us right now for account management and premium and our strategy. Okay, so that being said, let's go straight to the strategy. Now, I see a lot of people that they just get the settings for of the strategy and they do not watch the remaining video. Okay, so that's why you have to watch this video to the end, because some of the things that you guys, so that makes some of you keep losing when using a strategy is that you just watch the setting for the strategy, you don't know how to use the strategy massively before you dive into the chart and start using the strategy. So you have to watch this video to the end so you understand all the parts of the strategy and how you can make use of it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys settings for the strategy, then we dive into the uses, how you can use this strategy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, just go to your indicator windows. Now when you get to your indicators window, then the first indicator that we're going to need, then let me delete everything up. So we are going to be adding it up one after the other. Okay, so you can see I have it linked up now. Now the first thing you want to do is just go to your indicator window. Now when you get to your indicator window, click on the main window plus and search for stochastic oscillator, which you can see right here. Now click on the stochastic oscillator. Now for the properties, the K period is 2, the T period is 2, the slowing is 2, price will reduce as I. Very simple. Now the levels we need 85 and the 15 levels. Okay, so use any color of your choice. Now click on done when you add the stochastic oscillator up. Now moving on to the next indicator. Now click with your indicator window once again. Now click on the indicator window 1 plus, search for your moving average. Now the first moving average is going to be a period of 1. So it's going to be period of 1. Shift is going to be 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close, and I'm going to be using the black color for the first moving average. Now click on done when you add it up. Now moving on to the next indicator, click on the F icon. Go to your indicator window 1, search for your moving average and click on it. Now for the second moving average, the period is going to be 2, the shift is going to be 1. Okay, shift is going to be 1. Sorry, so shift is 1. The style, I'm going to be using the red color, so the blue color, sorry. So use any color of your choice. Now click on done when you add it up. Now sorry, I'm going to change this color to green. Okay, so now when you add it up, now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the last one. Click on indicator with 1 plus, search for moving average once again and click on it. Now for the properties, use it before. Shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close. The style going to use the blue color. So click on done when you set everything up, and this chart is going to look like. Okay, this chart is going to look like. Now how do you use this strategy? Now remember, when you want to catch multiple spikes, you are not going to be using the 1 minute time frame. You are going to be using the higher time frame, like the 15 minute time frame, the 1 hour, 4 hours, and the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so now I'm with 15 minute time frame. Even though I use the 15 minute time frame to take this trade, and this trade I've been running for over 6 to 7 hours now, and you can see how it's keep on running. My targets for this trade is I want to see the price to come to this area right here. That's when I want to close my position. The price come to this area or right here. That's why I'm still holding. Even if the price is consolidating, I'm still waiting for more trades. Okay, so now I do use strategy to catch spike. Now to use strategy to catch spike is very simple. Now whenever you come to the chart, you want to take a trade, the first thing you want to do is just go to your 1 hour time frame. And when you go to 1 hour time frame, to mark out you use your horizontal line to mark your support area, your support and the resistance area. Okay, now remember we are on crash, so we are going to be selling, so that's why we have to mark out our resistance area. Okay, so when you mark out your resistance area, you can see I mark out my resistance area on the 1 hour time frame. Then I'm going to go down to the 15-minute time frame now for entries. Now, what is going to be my entries? Now, whenever I see the price come to where this horizontal line is, where we mark out, so we use our horizontal line to mark out, I take my entries. I made this buy here. I made this sell opportunity right here because I wasn't in chart. Okay, I made this selling opportunity right here. When the price come here, I should be looking for a sell. Okay, that's the first thing you have to consider. Okay, you want to make sure that you spot your resistance area, where the market keep rejecting from. Okay, you can see multiple rejection at this area. Okay, so when you mark that out, then that's when you want to go to your look into your indicator window. Then you can go to your 1 minute time, the 5-minute time frame now for entries. Remember, we are not just using the 1 minute time frame. We're going to be using the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour time frame, and 4 hours time frame. Now, this is the 5-minute time frame. Now, whenever you want to take a trade with this strategy, okay, let's say you want to take a trade right from here. Now, let's say you want to take a trade right from here. Now, how do you take a trade from here? Now, take a trade is very simple. Now, what you want to do is now when you see price is getting close to the area you mark out that you want to take a trade. Now you want to make sure that you look into your indicator window 1. Now when you look into your indicator window 1, you want to see this. Now you want to see all the moving average at the 15 level, at the 12 levels of the stochastic oscillator. There has to be at the 12 level of the stochastic oscillator. When they are at 12 level of the stochastic oscillator, now you wait for a crossover to happen. Okay, wait for a crossover to happen. If I zoom, so if you guys can see clearly, you can see we have this crossover right here. You can see they all touch these 5 levels. They cross over each other, which means that the black line, which is the number 1 line, has to break below. Now, when it breaks below the other 2 moving average, then you want to wait for the retest. Now, the retest means that you want to wait for the moving average that will break, has to come back and touch the moving average once again. We wait for the sweep, wait for the retest, and then we sell. Simple as that, guys. Now, for the that is for the SMC. Now wait for the those new trader, just wait for these to cross over each other, come back and retest, and then to catch yourself. As simple as it is. Now let me look for more example so you guys can know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me scroll back and look for another example. Okay, so we have another example right here. Now let's say we have already marked out our resistance area. Okay, you know that we are on crash, so we are selling. I've already marked out our resistance area where we want to take our trades from. Now after we mark that out, okay, now the next thing we want to do is to wait for the price. When the price is getting close to that area that we mark out, then we want to just look into our indicator window 1. Now what do you want to see in your indicator window 1? You want to see the moving average has touched the 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator. When it touches the 85 levels of the stochastic oscillator, you wait for one of the moving average to break below, which is the black moving average, to break below the other 2 moving average. When you break below it, the next thing we are expecting is the retest. Now always make sure that the retest must be at the blue line, which is the second moving average, not the green line, which is the second moving average. Wait for the moving average to come back and touch the blue line, which is the second moving average. Now when it come back and touch it, then that is when we want to enter our sell, enter our trade, and then close our position when it reach the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now I hope you guys understand all what I've been saying since. Now let's go to boom, so you can also have an idea. Okay, now first thing I always told you guys is to go to your 1 hour time frame and mark out your support area. Okay, so remember we are on room, so we are going to be marking out the support area. Now mark out your support area as I always told you guys. Just mark it out. When you mark it out, then the next thing you want to do, now you want to make sure you mark out the recent support and resistance area, the recent one. Okay, now go to 15-minute time frame to adjust the moving average and make it a lot more better. Okay, So when you do the adjustments, then go to your 5-minute time frame for your entries. Now you can see we have a trade right here. Now, as I already told you guys, we first need to see the price getting close to our point of interest. When you see the price getting close to our point of interest, then you want to wait and see all the moving average at the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. When you touch 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator, the next thing you want to see is you want to wait for the moving average to come back and touch the blue line. You have to come back and retest the blue line. After the retest, then you are going to enter your trades. Now, this is it right here. You can see we have the price come to our point of interest right here, which is the resistance area and or support area. Okay, now it has to align with the indicator on one. Now when it comes to our point of interest, it's also do what? It's also come to the 15 levels of stochastic oscillator, which is the moving average. Now when it gives you a spike, after the spike right here, you can see this is where you test. Okay, and the test happen right at the second support area. Enter your trade right here, enter your trade right here. As simple as that, guys, and then you catch your spike. That's it, guys. I don't want this video to be long. So I hope you guys understand what I've been saying since. I hope you guys understand the video. Now if you understand this video right here, don't forget to make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type in strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.